All right, video 338. Simpler auto tile shader part 57. 1 key, 2 key, 3 key, 4 key, 5 key, 6 key, 7 key. This is shader number 7. This is the shader we're working on for our MMO. So this is one level pack here. There's about there's exactly 13 levels in a level pack. So these are all 13 levels right here. And then we have a 3x3 grid of level packs, blah, blah, blah. We're going to run out of time if we try to tech demo stuff too much. So let's get into the code that we're doing here. So right here in shader number 7, in this shader 7 only lookup tables section, we've added this section called touching value rotation tables. And we've injected the 8 different lookup tables responsible for rotating a tile by 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and 270 degrees. So we need 2 lookup tables to rotate a tile by a certain number of degrees, and they're all in increments of 90 degrees, 0, 90, 180, or 270. Inside of our preprocessor, ArtGirl shader source fragment raw converted to shader source fragment preprocessed, we have added these injection site tokens. So in our lookup table of lookup tables, we've added these 8 lookup tables here. Then in our lookup table of names, we've added the names we want to use on the GPU side. And then finally, in our lookup table of injection site tokens, we've added the tokens as they appear where we want to inject them into our shader code. So our code is going to look for these tokens and inject the GLSL equivalent of these lookup tables that we have defined on the CPU side in our JavaScript code. So it's basically going to convert JavaScript to C99 and inject it into our GLSL shader. Also, the max index needs to be increased to 25 now. And here's what we did previously. And here's our footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you're going to have to go to here, but you're going to have to go here because you're on the shorter playlist. You can get the source code here. You can email me here. And with that, you have been on video number 338. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail.